Hi guys, how you doing? Wanted to give you a little preview of four winter projects that I'm gonna have. I don't know if you have ever attempted building Gillows balsa wood aircraft, but I'm gonna make a real good shot at it this winter since it's got its first snow today, and these things look like they'll be a lot of fun to build, and they're not going to just get built. They are going to be built to fly radio controlled. Um, the first one I've got here is the Gillows Cessna 150. Gillows, I don't know exactly how it's pronounced, but something like that. Um, all four of these kits, there's a Gillows Cessna 150, the Sterling B-17, a Gillows B-17, and the Gillows Giant Scale Balsa P-47 Thunderbolt. Now, all four of these airplanes I had purchased many, many years ago, back when my daughter was like 2 or 3 years old, and she's now 17. So I've had these sitting in the storage unit for quite a while, and I figured this winter's as good a time as any to finally finish these planes. Most of these planes have been started, and in one way or the other, wings are built or fuselage build or whatever. The Cessna actually isn't too far from being done. It's the wings are built and the horizontal and vertical stabilizer built, and the fuselage is built. Um, and kind of along the same lines with the Sterling B-17. Now, like I said, these are just planes that were made for like rubber band um, kind of flying. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to totally change them out. Make them where they're uh, radio controlled, and ought to have a lot of fun with them. So, and there again, it's a neat little project to see if I can do it. I've watched some other YouTube videos, and some people had really good luck with them. Um, so, I figure I'll try it. What have I got to lose? I've got the planes already. So I might as well do something with them and enjoy them. But so those are the winter projects that I'm going to have, along with probably a few other things. You know how that always goes. Whenever you drive something or you fly something, something happens where you get an unexpected project. But anyway, like I said, I just wanted to drop this out to you guys and give you some ideas of some cool stuff that's coming to the channel this winter. Like I said, this one here, I bought this on eBay. Like I said, God, all those years ago, I think I paid $50 for it, 35, $50, somewhere in that range. And I mean, you can't even find these kits anymore. Sterling models, I don't think they've been around for years. And it's a 39-inch wingspan versus the other one that is 45-inch wingspan. It's got a lot better detail, and going to be a lot better kit, I think. But I don't know. One of these two is going to be built as a Forest Service water bomber, painted like the B-17 that my dad and I started working on in Tucson the day it came in. So to have red engine cowlings and red tail, number 37 on the tail, and stuff like that. But anyway, like I said, guys, I just want to make a quick video out and show you some cool stuff that's gonna be coming at you here fairly well. Like I said, sometime this winter. So I'll probably do them kind of in this order too, because this one here, like I said, is pretty much already built. But Well, guys, thanks a lot, and thanks for watching. And you guys all stay safe and warm out there if you live in the crazy cold part of the world where I'm at. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.